My dad died when I was 18, died of cancer. But the man was super smart. He used to take me everywhere on job sites all the time. He was always fixing like somebody's house or somebody's car. It was always something, man. I never knew how one person could know how to do so much crap until I realized I had it all too.
And rolling across the bottom of it.
That skating thing came because my dad had all the power tools and I knew how to use all that stuff. So I was the only kid in the neighborhood that actually knew how to use real tools. So I could actually build a real ramp. So of course everybody was at my house because Terry could build a ramp.
I might chase you. I don't know if I'm ready for you to follow behind me.
I have chiclets, 1, bricks, 2, hand form, 3, pipe coping, 4, old school pool coping, 5, pin road, 6, salad, brother. What's salad? Salad is a whole bunch of shit thrown together and it all tastes wonderful. Salad.
The salad bowl came because I love working with kids. I go to the park and if I see a kid struggling, I hate seeing a kid struggle to learn something on a board. Because if he can't figure it out, he's gonna lose focus. It's not gonna be fun anymore. He's gonna give it up. It's gonna be in the closet. So if I see a kid struggling, that's what I do, help. So I was helping a kid one day. His mom was there. I was in the park, about half an hour I spent with him. His mom said, we gotta go. And she came up to me and she goes, how much do I owe you? And I go, owe me for what? She goes, aren't you a skate instructor? I go, nah, your kid just needed help. I'm just helping him. I go, why wouldn't somebody help him? She goes, oh my God, you should be. And the light kicked on.
We'll see if I'm ready for that. It's beautiful. I'm gonna lie, it's beautiful. So happy to finally be in this place.
What do you want, man? I wanted a cool hangout zenny spot. Not just a plain old bowl.
By no means is this a plain old bowl or a plain old spot.
And by the way, the colors in here, first of all, I've never seen an Art Deco bowl, which is why I painted it like this, first reason. The second reason I painted it this way is for the kids.
Make it interesting. Yeah,
Well, not interesting. When you're pumping and carving and learning how to, say you're trying to learn a backside carve, and you gotta know where to go. Oh look, I got that little red pizza slice. I can hit it right there. I can own up on the ground
Right, give
square.
something to aim
These
for.
are all visual markers. You use those visual markers to improve your skill.
Well, even
Named the salad bowl for a reason, because when you go to a park, you go to bowls, it's got coping on it, and it's usually got the same coping all around. You got your hips and curves and everything, but I've taken a lot of those elements and I put them all in the bowl. I've got 6 different copings in there. Where are you gonna go and find 6 different copings in one bowl? Nowhere. I got 6 different heights in my one little bowl. Where are you gonna find 6 different heights in one little bowl? Nowhere. So I have all these elements that are designed where you get the feel of 5 or 6 different parts and you got it all crammed into one little bowl. You want some sauce, go on that side. You want butter, go on that side. You want hard and kink, get on this side of the bowl. It's all there, so you get to hone all your skills. Everything that you want to learn or get better at, you can do it all in one location without having to drive all over the place. So that's the beauty of it. The fact that it's got colors in there. It's painted so that you have visual markers to learn your lines, to learn your carving, to improve your skills that way. So again, I wanted to build something that was not just a bowl. I wanted to build a cool bowl. It's a learning tool, and it's a total stoke zone. It's a place to come here and get your groove on and feel like you accomplished something by the time you're done. So we're gonna have kickers, and this is what I'm part of what I'm building.
it's gonna be pretty big then.
Yeah, I gotta build a three-way launch ramp with a stair set.
Made to be taken.
So now, for me to be able to turn around and do what I do, I can take boards and build stuff and teach kids. Man, that's such a great feeling. It's such a feeling of stoke when the kids are smiling. I have dual lives right now, bro. I gravitate between Planet Tattoo and Planet Skateboard, and they both take a whole lot of time. So I'm constantly swimming through a sea of people. But I'm doing what I love to do, so I'm not mad. I'm not mad.